Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging. It did come with a card. It says keep growing. Does list the products in here. I don't think last time it did. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So we'll show that at the end. And then we have this cute little daisy bag, little charm on it. So let's take a look. The first item is by Benton.
Mom, you pick the item.
Hold on a second. This is a deep green tea toner. Definitely use that. That may be the item I picked this month. I actually don't remember. What's next? We have Context Nude Balm.
That's right here.
It's called Girls School.
This is right here.
That's pretty.
That's the one.
Yeah. Yep, it's on there. Nice shade. All right, do you want to pick the next item?
And the next item.
So far, it's pretty good. All right, next we have a booster serum.
Yep.
I like the packaging, that's really pretty.
Oh, shiny.
All right, what's next?
You know, okay. Let me pick the item.
The next one is Honey Jarrett Rose Clay Purifying Mask. It says it purifies and exfoliates. All right. And what's the last item? We should have one more thing in there. Last item is from Benefit, Cakeless Concealer. Cute little package. Oh, that's adorable. It's so tiny.
Oh, that's
So we did get a little sample of that, which I'll definitely use. I really like Benefit stuff.
That's right here.
Yeah, let me see the list. So there are the products that we got, the concealer, the purifying mask, the serum, the toner, and the tinted lip balm. So if you guys are interested in signing up, I've been subscribed for many years, and I will put my referral link below in case you're interested. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.